Antonia? Whoa, I get it. What do you have there? What did Oma send you?
Some of this, and I can eat it.
Yeah, is that basil? Is it healthy for you? Antonia, did you plant that with Oma? Yeah.
Bing, bing, bing.
Well, it arrived, and it was just like it just was picked. Let's examine this closely. Wow, it's amazing.
Mommy, I'm seeing.
Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. What do you say to Oma and Opa?
Thank you.
Thank you. And are you happy that your plant grew so big? Can you even believe how big it grew? That's crazy, huh? Wasn't that nice of Oma to send that in that bag? It arrived, Oma, as fresh as can be. Like it just was picked an hour ago. Yeah. What does that taste like? That's basil. What's it taste like?
Sprinkling.
It tastes like sprinklers?
Yeah, what's this?
Yeah. Oh, it's delicious, huh? Do you think it's healthy for you? Uh-huh.
Take a bite.
Take a bite? Okay, let Mommy taste a bite. Okay, give Mommy a piece. I'll taste it. That is delicious.
Here's a water piece.
Oh my goodness.
Here's
Okay.
a water piece.
Oh, well, thank you. Okay, you eat that one. I'll eat this one.
Nom, 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 nom.
Wasn't that thoughtful of Oma? You missing Oma?
Yeah, right now, but I'm happy to have this.
You're happy to have that? Yeah.
I
That's
want
just...
that.
I know, honey. I'll pick it up off the floor. Okay, I'll pick it up when we finish our video. Let's get Oma a big hug. Big hug. Oh, give Opa a big hug. Oh, and a big kiss to Oma. Kiss. Mwah. And Opa a big kiss. Oh, we love you so much, and we miss you. Yeah? Yeah?
Look this.
Wow, another big piece. Are you going to eat that one too? No. Wow, you're just going crazy for the basil, huh? Well, I want you to know, Oma, how appreciated your gift was. Yeah. Okay, maybe not so much, okay? Say bye.